How to use the quiz sticker on Instagram stories. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and load up the Instagram application. Then let's go ahead and click on your story icon at the top left, or scroll to the left to load up the camera icon. Once you're here, you then want to go ahead and take a picture, or select a picture from the gallery in the bottom left hand corner. And once you've found a picture you want to use, you just want to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to add it to the editing process. Once you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the sticker icon in the top right hand corner, and then select the quiz in the bottom left. Once you're here, you want to then go ahead and type in the title for the quiz. And then you want to go ahead and start typing in your answers or different options. And then once you've done that, you want to click on the correct answer, so it's either A, B or C. Then once you've done that, you want to click off the quiz sticker. Then you can go ahead and move it about, obviously using normal gestures on your phone. So once you're happy with the placement of the sticker, you want to go ahead and click on your story. Then that's going to add it to your story successfully. So if you want to see people that participated in the quiz, you can go ahead and click on your story, and you see their profile icons in the bottom left hand corner, and also you see if they've got it right or not. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you don't have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.